The plastiform tool and how it works in conjunction with a cube now. Open up both dialog boxes by left and right clicking on the plastiform tool, and then assign all the surfaces on the cube to the plastiform. Once again, I'll use the sphere deformation. We can't see exactly where it is, so we'll go to wireframe, and we can see inside our triangulated cube is our deformed sphere. Move that approximately to the center, and then go back to solid view. To move accurately in the 3 axes, it's a good idea to go to the top view, activate the deform tool, and then begin sculpting our surface here. We can go back to perspective to check where that is. Now I want to make a new clean deformation from the cube, so I will deactivate my plastiform tool and then move my sphere back into the cube. Once again, go to the overhead view, reactivate, and then create a new deformation. Of course, I can deactivate there, move back into the cube, reactivate, then move out of this face. We can create organic forms very quickly indeed, and very simply. Now we're going to look at a bit more of a practical use for plastiform. I'm going to load a scene that I've already made using plastiform. Why have I done this? We're going to see. I've placed a camera inside the plastiform deformation there, and I'm going to use the plastiform as a tunnel effect. Now I'll open a second view, go to camera, and we can see that we're inside the wireframe of that shape. Now I just rendered this scene, and we can see we have a slight problem here. We're actually inside a solid object, so it's not rendering properly. To get around that, we select the plastiform object, subdivide it, turn off subdivision editing, and we still have a subdivide object. Now reselect the camera. Open up a secondary view again, and now inside I'll render that. And as it renders, we can see that the inside of the plastiform object is smooth and solid. Of course, if we link this with animation now, we can create a fly-through of a tunnel system or an organic shape. I've placed 2 spheres in here just to see the depth of the object.